Hello. Today we're going to show you our Marvel Spartan Model S330/2 Mitering swivel head bandsaw. It'll miter up to 60 degrees. Right now the blade is running. It has an AC inverter drive. Quick acting vise. We're here right now. The blade is running at 130 feet per minute. Let's jog it up. That's 230. Just move it over to whatever one you want to move. There's the 3. We'll move that now at 2. Go 1. Move this up. 90. Saw's been totally gone through. Not just repainted, but repaired as we go. Look at the electrics. Beautiful condition. Belleville washers. And this marker helps you tighten the blade to the same tension every time. Got a hydraulic head raise after it cuts. Let's have it cut once here. This is your blade down feed. There we go. Bring that up just for demo purposes. It's hooked up 440 right now. It could be changed to 220 volt. Yeah, 3 horsepower blade drive. Again, you can swivel the head. I believe it's 60 degrees in both directions. It's almost done with the cut now. And when it's done cutting, it turns off the blade and raises the head up. Thanks for viewing. This is our Marvel Spartan Model S330/2. Oh, and this is a 13-inch round capacity, 12 by 18 vise opening in a rectangle. And of course that capacity would be a little less as you swivel it. Just loosen the clamp underneath and swivel the head to wherever you want. Thank you.